can't wait for all of these pepperoni pizza, fried chicken sandwiches to make the whole world unhealthy.
Yes, boss. You always say yes, boss. Can you say something else?
No, boss. This time, nobody will stop us from destroying the world one sandwich at a time.
Hey, wait, boss. How can we get inside?
I heard there is an underground passage. I said over there. Let's go.
Underground passage? But what if there are rats and other gonna things? We need to be quick. We cannot let the world enjoy the process. Let's do this, guys! I smell and children. Who goes there? I don't smell anything.
Over there! Who are you and what are you doing here? We are the student health brigade and we are here to stop you.
Yeah, we just broke the red to get here. You are going down.
Let's get them.
Guys, I need help. They're only shooting at me. Someone take out the
You
machine.
can count on me. I will protect you while you destroy the machine.
Uh-oh.
Did you guys do it? Is it over?
What happened? Why did my mouth taste like fried chicken?
Why am I still smelling my t-shirt? Oh, it smells good. The last thing I remembered was me eating pupsas and I became controlled by
Me
it.
too. Maybe eating so much unhealthy food turn you into a different person. How about we all work together to keep junk food away from the world?
I think it is the least thing we could do since we made such a mess.
Well, I don't mind cleaning these places up for you guys.